teeth. Okay, now we're going to read colors, okay?
Yeah.
Colors.
Yes.
You ready? What color is this?
Blue.
That's not orange. What color?
Red.
Red. Red. What's this?
Blue.
Balloon. What's this?
B.
What's this?
B.
Button. What's this?
B. Red.
Say strawberry.
Red.
Strawberry.
B.
What color is this?
Blue.
Blue.
Yeah, red.
What's this?
A ball.
What's this?
Yeah, blue.
Is that a crayon? Can you say crayon?
Red.
Crayon. What's this?
Color.
What's this?
Blue.
What's this?
Blue. And blue.
No, what is this? What color is this?
Yellow. Blue.
No, it's green. What's this? What is this? Benjamin. What's this?
Apple.
Apple. What's this?
Flower.
That's a frog. Say frog. What's this?
Butler.
What's this?
Fish.
Leaf. Good job. And what color is this?
Yellow cup.
No, I know there's a cup. What color is this?
Yellow.
Yellow. Good job. What's this?
Cup.
Cup. And what's this?
Yes.
What is this? What is it?
Banana. Yeah.
Bananas.
A compass.
What color is this? Orange. And what's that?
Juice.
What's that?
Yellow.
What is that? Juice. And this?
Flower.
Flower. Good job. And give me a fist bump. Nice. Say night night. Say night night.